Welcome to Urban Knife Guy, and a big thank you to my first 500 subscribers. You girls and guys are awesome. I'm sure this will be the first of many milestones, and I'd like to thank the first 500 viewers who believed in the channel and subscribed to a young startup. For those that just joined the channel, I will say this: of all the subscribers, you guys are the most recent, and I thank you as well. As a special thank you, I'll be conducting a 500 subscriber contest giveaway. The prize is unique. It is a collection of different items that will fit into a survival tin. I'll choose one lucky person to win this tin and all the items inside. Let's check out what we have inside. I put together an assortment of items. Some are easy to find and some are not so easy to find. First up, a razor, a very useful item for a survival tin. I've got a number of these glow sticks which you break and they glow in the dark. These last for 12 hours. I believe I've got about 5 of them. This is a one-time use disposable eye drops. A button LED light, very bright, and it can also be kept on with this button over here. A button compass, always very useful for a survival kit. A 3-inch long nail. What can't you do with a 3-inch long nail? A small titanium handle stainless steel knife. Some cordage in the form of this baby gorilla floss. So this is not so easy to find. It is dental floss, travel size, which can open up this package, and I've shown this before in my survival tins. But this particular brand is 4 times stronger than usual dental floss. So it's really good for survival kits. This is a strike anywhere match. So what you do is you actually fill up lighter fluid, and then you can see there's a striker here, and over here we've got a bit of ferro material, so you can actually create a spark and it will light the wick, and then you can light whatever you need and put it out. So this is strike anywhere match. This is a buckle for a paracord survival bracelet, which you have to make on your own. Now you can check out YouTube for different videos on how to make a survival bracelet, but this is the buckle. And what you have over here is a whistle. So there's a survival whistle over here, and there's a small ferro rod over here, and there's a striker here in this side of the buckle, which I won't scrape it off now, but you scrape off the black surface and you can strike it and you'll get sparks. So a great little survival item for you. And we've got a survival metal card, which I've showed in a previous video as well. So that's all the items in the kit. If you would like to win this tin and everything inside, this is how to join the contest. Step 1. Choose one of my videos on survival kits that are listed in the description below. Step 2. Go to any one of those videos and leave a comment. The comment should be on which is your favorite item in that kit. That is it. You must be a subscriber to qualify for this contest, and the contest is open to anyone in the world. However, you must be from this planet, but can be from any timeline. The contest will run for only 5 days and will end on the date and time shown on the screen below. I will do a video and pick one winner from all who qualify and take part in the contest. All the best, and I hope to choose a winner soon. Thanks for watching. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please do so and hit that notification bell. As always, keep it folded, keep it safe.